Welcome to English Guidance Class. Hi everyone, I'm Sophie. Today, I'm going to share my daily routine with you. I'll talk slowly and clearly so it's easy for you to follow. You'll practice your English listening and speaking skills and learn useful vocabulary and phrasal verbs that you can use in your daily life conversations. Let's begin. I usually wake up around 7 in the morning. My alarm beeps, and I turn it off. Sometimes I want to stay in bed, but I know I have to wake up. I sit up on bed, stretch my arms, and take a deep breath. Then I get up and walk to the bathroom. I grab my toothbrush and brush my teeth. Next, I splash cold water on my face. It helps me wake up properly. I look in the mirror and smile. If I have some extra time, I take a quick shower. Then I go to the kitchen. I start making breakfast for myself. Usually, I eat toast with some butter and scrambled eggs. Sometimes I go for a bowl of cereal or fresh fruit. I always drink a warm cup of tea. Green tea is my favorite to start the day. It makes me feel calm and refreshed. While I eat, I play music or check my phone. I like to read my messages or see what the weather is like. After I finish eating, I go back to my bedroom. I pick what I'm going to wear. Most of the time, I wear jeans and a basic top. Then I brush my hair and finish getting ready. I look inside my bag. I check if I have my keys, phone, and wallet. After that, I wear my shoes and head out the door. Now I'm ready to begin my day. I walk to the nearby bus stop. It only takes me about 5 minutes to get there. Other people are usually waiting as well. Most are heading to work or school like me. I usually take the bus to get to work. The ride is about 20 minutes long. Sometimes it's crowded, but I often find a seat. I like to sit near the window and watch outside. Once I reach work, I enter the office building. I smile and say good morning to the guard. I take the lift up to the 3rd floor. That's where I work every day. My workday begins at 9 a.m. I work in a small, friendly office. I sit at my desk and turn on the computer. First, I read through all my emails. Then, I check my planner for the day. My job is quite busy, but I enjoy doing it. Sometimes we have quick team meetings too. We all help each other and get things done together. At 12:30, I take my lunch break. I go to the kitchen or our small break area. Usually, I bring food from home. I like having a sandwich, some fruit, or rice and veggies. I sit with coworkers while eating. We chat about the weather, shows, or weekend plans. It's a good time to chill and share a few laughs. Then I return to my desk and keep working. I usually wrap up work by 5 in the evening. I shut my computer, gather my things, and wave goodbye to everyone. Even though I feel tired, I'm happy my work is done. I take the elevator down and leave the building. When I get home, then I change into cozy clothes like sweatpants and a hoodie. Wearing something comfy helps me relax. Sometimes I switch on the TV and watch something short. Other times I read a little from a book. Around 7, I head to the kitchen to cook dinner. I usually make something simple like pasta, rice, or a salad. I like to play gentle music while I cook. It helps me stay calm and relaxed. Once the food is ready, I sit at the table and eat slowly. I don't use my phone. I focus on the food and the moment. After eating, I wash the dishes and clean the space. Then I have a bit of free time for myself. Sometimes I watch a show or a movie. Other times I call a friend or talk to my family. Now and then, I write in my journal or just listen to music. Evenings are simple and peaceful for me. I like this quiet time after a long day. Around 9:30 or 10, I start getting ready for bed. First, I go to the bathroom. I take time to brush my teeth carefully. Then I rinse my face with warm water. It feels nice and soothing after the whole day. Sometimes I apply a little cream to my face. It helps my skin feel soft and smooth. After that, I go back to my room and put on pajamas. They're warm and soft. Perfect for sleeping. Light blue pants and a comfy shirt. I switch off the big light and turn on my bedside lamp. I close the curtains and crack open the window for fresh air. Now my room feels calm and peaceful. I sit on the bed and open a book. I usually read a few pages before I sleep. Sometimes it's a storybook. Sometimes it's something useful or educational. When I finish reading, I put the book on my table. Then I sit for a bit and reflect on my day. I ask myself, what went well today? Was there anything that made me smile? What can I do better tomorrow? Thinking quietly helps me feel calm and clear. Around 10:30, I turn off the small lamp. The room gets dark and still. I lie in bed and pull the blanket over me. I close my eyes and take a slow, deep breath. Even if the day wasn't perfect, I feel thankful. Tomorrow is a new beginning. I smile a little and whisper, "Good night, Sophie." And then I fall asleep.